everyone! Today, we are diving into a really important topic for modern IT environments, configuring Windows Hello for Business using Microsoft Intune. This powerful combination makes your organization's logins much more secure and convenient. We will walk through the entire process, step by step, to get this essential security feature up and running. It's a fantastic way to move beyond traditional passwords. First, let's briefly discuss why Windows Hello for Business is so beneficial. It provides stronger security than just passwords alone. Users can sign in using biometrics, like a fingerprint or facial recognition, or a strong PIN. This protects against common threats like phishing attacks. It integrates seamlessly with Azure Active Directory, making it ideal for cloud-first or hybrid organizations. Before we start with Intune, ensure you have a few prerequisites in place. You will need an Azure AD Premium license. Your devices must be enrolled in Microsoft Intune. They should also be either Azure AD joined or Hybrid Azure AD joined. While not strictly required for PIN-based Hello, a public key infrastructure, PKI, is beneficial for certificate trust if you plan to use certificate-based authentication. Now, let's get into the Intune configuration steps. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center at endpoint.microsoft.com. Once logged in, go to Devices on the left-hand menu. Then select Configuration Profiles and click on Create Profile. For the platform, choose Windows 10 and later. For the profile type, select Templates and then Identity Protection. Click Create to proceed. Give your new profile a meaningful name, something like Windows Hello for Business configuration. Add a brief description explaining its purpose. This helps with organization later. Next, we move to the Configuration Settings section. Find the option Configure Windows Hello for Business. Set this to Enabled. This is the core setting that activates the feature. Once enabled, several other options will appear for you to configure. For Use a Trusted Platform Module, TPM, we highly recommend setting this to Required. TPMs provide an extra layer of hardware-based security. Set a minimum PIN length of at least 6 characters, or even higher for better security. The maximum PIN length can be set to 127. You should enable options like Require lowercase letters in PIN, Require uppercase letters in PIN, Require special characters in PIN, and Require digits in PIN to enforce strong PIN complexity. For PIN expiration, days, 180 days is a common and secure practice. Set Remember PIN history to 5 or more, preventing users from reusing recent PINs. Use Enhanced Anti-Spoofing when available should be set to Yes. You can typically leave Enable Device Unlock using Proximity as No unless you have a specific need for it. After configuring all these settings, click Next. Now it's time for assignments. You will assign this policy to your user or device groups. It's always a good idea to start with a small test group to ensure everything works as expected before deploying widely. You can also exclude specific groups if necessary. Click Next again. Finally, on the Review plus Create page, carefully review all your settings one last time. If everything looks correct, click Create. The policy will then be deployed to your assigned devices. On a test device, you can manually sync Intune policies to speed up the process. Users will then be prompted to set up their Windows Hello PIN or biometric authentication. You can verify successful policy application by checking the device's event logs. That's how you successfully set up Windows Hello for Business using Microsoft Intune. This significantly enhances your organization's security posture and provides a much smoother login experience for your users. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. Share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. Leave a comment below with any questions you might have or topics you'd like us to cover next. And please consider subscribing for more helpful tech tutorials and insights. See you next time.